In the bustling city of New Delhi, India, an incident occurred in 2012 that would forever be etched in history as one of the most widely known sex crime cases. The incident triggered global protests and ignited a women's rights movement demanding radical reforms to curb gender-based violence. Popularly known as the Nirbhaya Case, this real-life tragedy became the basis for the acclaimed 2019 Netflix original series, Delhi Crime. The victim and pseudonyms, fearless yet unnamed. The victim's real name was initially withheld to comply with Indian law, and the media resorted to using pseudonyms such as Nirbhaya, meaning fearless. However, her identity was eventually revealed after her parents granted permission to disclose her name. This case remained significant not only for the heinous crime committed but also for the subsequent global campaign to end sexual violence against women and girls. The harrowing night, a nightmarish bus ride on December 16, 2012, a 22-year-old physiotherapy intern named Jyoti Singh and her male friend, Awindra Pratap Pandey, embarked on a fateful bus journey in South Delhi. Little did they know that their lives were about to take a horrific turn. As the bus veered off its usual route, Pandey sensed something amiss and questioned the driver, inadvertently drawing the attention of the 6 men already on board. The brutal attack, a nightmarish ordeal. Awindra Pratap Pandey was brutally beaten and rendered unconscious, while Jyoti Singh was subjected to a merciless assault. The attackers used an iron rod, inflicting severe injuries to her abdomen, intestines, and genitals. Despite the relentless assault, Jyoti valiantly fought back, leaving bite marks on her assailants. The perpetrators callously threw the unconscious victims out of the moving bus. Discovery and aftermath. A nation in shock. A passerby discovered Jyoti and Pandey around 11 p.m. and alerted the Delhi police. Rushed to Safdarjung Hospital, Jyoti received emergency care but remained in critical condition. Despite undergoing multiple surgeries, her injuries proved fatal, and she was transferred to a hospital in Singapore for an organ transplant. Tragically, Jyoti suffered a cardiac arrest during the flight and never regained consciousness, ultimately succumbing to her injuries. The arrests and legal proceedings, seeking justice within a day, the Delhi police apprehended the suspects based on CCTV footage and information provided by Pandey. The 6 men, including the bus driver Ram Singh and his brother Mukesh Singh, were caught. Subsequent investigations revealed that the attackers had previously assaulted and robbed another individual before targeting Jyoti and Pandey. The trials and sentencing, an outcry for justice. The legal proceedings moved swiftly, with the 4 adult perpetrators being found guilty and sentenced to death by hanging. Despite their appeals, the Supreme Court upheld the death sentences, emphasizing the gravity of their crimes. The juvenile involved was tried separately in a juvenile court and received a maximum sentence of 3 years in prison. Public outrage over the minors' release led to amendments in the Juvenile Justice Act. Impact and reforms, transforming society. The Nirbhaya case sparked a paradigm shift in India's approach to gender-based violence. Subsequent legal amendments, including stricter punishments for crimes against women, reflect the nation's determination to address this issue. Despite progress, challenges persist, requiring both legal enforcement and societal changes to eradicate violence against women.